Hello, I'm Sansita Gosubgo. Word on the street is that Musa Khawula is dead, which is false. According to Daily Sun, Musa Khawula appeared at the magistrate court on Tuesday. He came wearing orange prison clothes. He had a very short appearance, briefly so. So his case was postponed to the 2nd of September 2024 in order for him to get himself a lawyer since his previous lawyer abandoned him. Musa Khawula is currently serving a 60-day sentence for failing to appear in the magistrate court in Gauteng and was later arrested in the Vredenburg Magistrate Court on the 9th of July 2024 for an ongoing appearance for murdering his ex-boyfriend and stabbing him to death. Wandile Kambule, may his soul rest in peace. So the person that went ahead with this rumor saying that Musa Khawula is dead, rest in peace, and wrote a long caption on Instagram is Mandisi Chikana. He captioned, "Rest in peace, Musa Khawula, your life was captivating, filled with drama, controversy that kept everyone talking, And then what made it worse was that Somizi reposted the very same caption. He just screenshot and reposted it on his timeline, saying that he will believe it when if he sees a video of Musa Khawula saying that, yes, bitches, I am dead. But it's false news. Musa Khawula is still serving his 2 months or 60-day sentence. Anyway, I'm Sansi. Till I see you again, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.